Hi students, welcome back to IQMAS. Today we are discussing the first chapter of CBSE Standard 9, that is number systems. We will discuss the topic rationalization of the denominator. First question, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. That is, in this form, numerator is 1 and denominator is root 2. Root 2 is irrational. We have to convert the denominator into a rational number. So we can multiply 1 by root 2 by root 2 by root 2. We know the value of root 2 by root 2, that is 1. So the value will not be changed. 1 into root 2, root 2, root 2 into root 2, 2. Which is an equivalent fraction of 1 by root 2. In this form, denominator is rational. Hence the answer. Another example, 1 by root 3. We can multiply root 3 by root 3. It will be root 3 by root 3 into root 3, that is 3, which is in fraction form with denominator a rational number. Again, 1 by root 7 is equal to 1 by root 7. In numerator and denominator, we are multiplying with root 7. It will be root 7 by 7. The equivalent fraction of 1 by root 7 is root 7 by 7 with denominator a rational number. Again, 5 by root 6, which can be 5 into root 6 by root 6 into root 6, which will be 5 root 6 by 6 with a rational number as denominator. 2 by root 8 is equal to 2 root 8 by root 8 into root 8 is equal to 2 root 8 by root 8 into root 8, 8. We can simplify, which will be root 8 by 4. Another example, rationalize the denominator of 2 plus root 3. In this question, the denominator is 2 plus root 3. The terms are in the form a plus b. In identity, a plus b into a minus b, we know a square minus b square. That is, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So 2 plus root 3 is in the form a plus b. Now we can multiply both numerator and denominator by a minus b form, that is conjugate form. A conjugate is formed by changing the sign between the two terms. So the conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. The conjugate of a plus b is a minus b. Similarly, the conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. That is, 1 by 2 plus root 3 will be equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3. We will multiply with the conjugate 2 minus root 3 on both numerator and denominator. That is, 1 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b, we know a square minus b square. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 square minus root 3 the whole square is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3 is 1, that is, which is a rational number, is equal to 2 minus root 3. Next example, rationalize the denominator of 5 by root 3 minus root 5. We will multiply with conjugate of root 3 minus root 5 on both numerator and denominator. Conjugate of root 3 minus root 5 is root 3 plus root 5. That is 5 by root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 plus root 5 is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. We can use the identity, that is root 3 square minus root 5 square equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by square of root 3 is 3 minus square of root 5 is 5. That is 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5 is minus 2, which is equal to minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5. Another example, rationalize the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. We will multiply with the conjugate of 7 plus 3 root 2 on both numerator and denominator. So the conjugate of 7 plus 3 root 2 is 7 minus 3 root 2. That is 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2 equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is 7 square minus 3 root 2 the whole square equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square is 49 minus 3 root 2 square, that is 3 square into root 2 square is 2, that is 7 minus 3 root 2 by 49 minus 3 square is 9, 9 into 2 18, which will be equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 18, that will be equal to 31. So the equivalent fraction of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 is 7 minus 3 root 2 by 31, in which the denominator is in rational form.